Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. So I'm going to do a different video for this week, but I wanted to sneak this video in as well because I have a journal that I finished that I'll be giving away soon, and I thought let me just share it with you quickly first before it goes off. So I overstuffed this one maybe a little, but anyway, I have this flaw, I don't know when to stop. So I'm going to just take the scarf off. I think the theme, I don't really have a theme, I don't really usually have a theme, but I think this definitely has a vintage look to it. This this cover, so let me bring it up just a little bit and you'll see some of the beading on the lace, and I coffee stained the lace, and then I've got a little dangle at the back with a vintage key and some coffee stained fabric. So the back also, it has that sort of crinkle paper that I decoupaged on and then gave a dry brush of some gold. So that's the cover. Can I fit this whole thing in? More or less fits in. So alright, the front, I realized actually that I haven't finished it. I haven't, just saw this now, I haven't put a trim at the back here, but I'll just, as well I'm going through a flip through, right? Okay, so you'll see a few of the things that we've done on videos. If you've seen any of my videos, you'll start to notice some of the little bits and pieces that I have made and have included in this journal. There's a lot of coffee stained paper in here, little pocket, lots of writing space, lots of little pockets, lots and lots of pockets, guys. So you'll notice these guys that we made, these little butterflies. Oh, page is sticking. Lots of rub-on stickers. I love them. Just some writing space, more pockets. These were those coffee filter pockets that we made in one of the videos. This was one of the doodle videos that we did, rub-on stickers. And okay, this is my eco-dyed paper, and so I've added a lot of that in. Got some little bit of, do you guys remember this? This was the little doily birds, and I think I called one Regina. I remember naming one in the video. Okay, I think this was another one of those doodles that we did, so it became a nice pocket. It holds some papers. This I probably shouldn't have put in here, it's a bit bulky, but you know, it holds a lot, so I thought, well, once I committed to it, it was in, so I left it there. Some more pockets with more goodies and another pull out there. This is some artwork I did a while back and I just chopped it up and put a pocket in there. When I'm at the thrift stores, I look for postcards, and oftentimes I'll find these packs of postcards, and so there's one, and then I'll just add them in. Okay, some washi tape and lots of writing space, lots and lots of pocket space. This was one of my very early on videos that I did, so it's just the handles, the brown handles of shopping bags that I pasted together that made this frame. Fabric background, more writing space, hidden paper clip, more of the eco-dyed paper, eco-dyed, lots of eco-dyed paper. We made I remember making this on a video. This was a cluster paper clip. See, paper clip. And as chunky as this journal is, and there's a lot of pockets in here, I've also included a lot of writing space. Just a little coloring in page from a coloring in book. This is one of my postcards that I made. Also, I did this on a video a little while back. And guys, if there's anything in this book which and I'm saying I've made it in a video, and you want to know where that video is, or if you want me to make it again, let me know, and I can do another video or just point you to the one that I did. This was just some doodle fun with watercolors and gel pens. Pretty sure I did that on a video. Again, it was a long time ago. Little flowers. This eco dye effect I'm struggling to redo, and I think today or yesterday I figured out what I was doing wrong, because I just got such fantastic prints on this eco dye, and but it's been a while. That was one of our doodle videos. This was a recent video where I did some embroidery. Little book. That was also, I believe, a doodle, not a doodle video. It was a video where I worked with not watercolors, food coloring. So food coloring on there. Writing space, rub-on stickers. I realized that I used the sticker twice. Here's another little pocket. Writing space, pocket. Do small things with great love. Take responsibility of your own happiness and never put it in somebody else's hands, other people's hands. Lots of little sneakies, belly band, the prayer card. This I also made quite a while back. It's dressmaker's paper that I put some Mod Podge over to make it a little stronger, and then made into a little pocket. So there's a little goodie in there, and another, and then it's got some stickers on it. Some of our homemade washi tape. This is from that homemade DIY watercolor paint that we made together, and then I painted this onto some cardstock, so that made a nice little goodie. Here's some more of that dressmaker's paper. It makes really great pockets. This is another one of those coffee filter envelopes that we made. Let's see, writing space, lots and lots of writing space. Just one of my little sort of, I don't know what I want to do, so I'm just going to doodle and paint and see what happens. Cards. It's one of those. But they make really nice little cards in a, so don't ever throw anything away. Eco dye, coffee stain, lots of writing space, lots of little pockets. And I took some Mod Podge, no I didn't, I took some white Elmers glue, mixed it with water, and then ran this piece of lace, this sort of crochet lace, through it and let it dry, so it's a little stiffer, and now it's a belly band, and then I just glued it down. So that's an idea for you guys. Just a little extra writing space, lots and lots of writing space, and then a little book at the end. And I think I mentioned earlier, I just got to finish off the edge here with some of that wool. Just noticed it now, and I'm glad I did. I would have hated to have sent this off and it wasn't finished. So there you go, you guys. My finished journal. It's a chunky one. It really is chunky, but tons and tons of writing space, tons and tons of character, and it was a way for me to use up a lot of the bits and pieces that I've made with you on videos over the mostly this year and part of late last year, like that. This was also one of the doodle videos, I believe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I will see you later this week with another doodle video. I'll give you a sneak peek of what it might look like. That is good. That is one of the little cards that I made, and we're going to make more of those later this week. Okie dokie. We'll see you next time. Bye.